Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to create stunning AI-powered presentations. Whether you're working on a school project, a business pitch, or a creative portfolio, Gemini 2.0 makes designing slides fast, easy, and professional. First of all, access the Gemini 2.0, right? And on the dashboard, basically, you're going to be able to ask Gemini to create a presentation. Next, define your presentation topic. The first step is to define the topic or purpose of your presentation. For example, let's say you're creating a pitch about the benefit of AI in education. So you're going to enter the topic into a prompt box for detailed presentation. Add specifics like create, right? 10 slides presentation explaining how AI improves learning experiences, right? Reduces teacher workload and personalized yeah let me yeah personalized or personalizes education, right? And basically hit enter right here. I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Now they're gonna create a image, right? And I can add it to my slide, right? And Gemini 2.0 customizes basically templates. Choose from professional, minimalistic, or creative. You can also select from color theme, font style, and slide layout, right? You can see right here how this is a picture, right? Title slide, artificial intelligence. Slide 4, how AI personalized education, right? Slide 5, example of AI in education. Slide 6, the benefit of AI in education. Slide 7, the challenges of AI in education. And slide 8, the future of AI in education. And slide 9, the conclusion, right? You're going to see right here the slide 10, thank you. Okay? And once you've set your preferences, you're going to be able to copy that and add it to your PowerPoint, right? So basically, you're gonna be able to generate slides. Lots of example. Once you've set your preferences and everything, we did the thing which is asking Gemini 2.0 to generate slides, right? We're gonna now generate a formal or basically a full presentation. So, for example, we want or generate slide explaining how AI, basically we can copy at the top to make it a little bit better, right? How, gonna paste the link, paste the, in education, right? And you can expect that Gemini create title, slide, content, slide, and closing slide, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see it just like this, like here. Title slide, artificial intelligence, revolutionizing education. This is the title. Now you're gonna see the slide, which is the content, slide 2, slide 3, until 10, right? And you're gonna see the closing slide, which is slide 10, which is thank you, right? And basically, you're gonna be able to see the title and basically this is how you generate it into a PowerPoint or PDF or share it with other people. You can click the three dots right here and copy or share and export right here, and you can export it as to a docs, right, or draft in Gmail, right. Go ahead and click right here to create a document. We gotta wait for a few moments, and now this is new document right here. You're gonna be able to see the presentation being typed right here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.